I want to say thank you for the bullies in high school, calling me names. Uh, Thank you for, my parents that didn't support me because I'm trans, that misgender me every single day on purpose. Um, because the old me was so soft, I cried over everything, I wanted everyone to be happy with me. I wanted to be on no one's bad side, I was that one person like that I was just so soft, Now I'd let people gaslight me. I would believe everything, That's not me anymore, bro. Like, I'm so hard. Like, nothing gets to me anymore. Like, if I could have, as a kid, I could have my parents not supporting me for 18 years. Okay, I'm adopted, so I wasn't in their life for 18 years, but however long they've had me. Um, if I could go through all that and my whole past that was crazy, my whole past is so crazy I can't talk about it, all of it in this one video, it's too crazy. If I can go through all that, I can go through anything now. I can literally go through any hate. So at the end of the day, thank you, because they made me be able to stand up, show my whole life. Like, I show you guys everything. Me being on trans, I show you my transition, I show you pictures of my body, I get hate all the time from anything, like, oh, I'm a little chubby, or oh, my scars are horrible, or oh, you're a girl, oh, blah, blah. It doesn't hurt, bro. Like, my own parents can't support me, and I had high school bullies that were bullying me like crazy in so my own house I was getting bullied, at my work I was getting bullied, at school I was getting bullied every single day. If I could deal with that for 18 years, a little less, obviously, give or take, I can deal with a little hate comment saying you're a girl. I don't care, bro. Like, I really don't. I can get through anything, bro. I'm fearless. Yeah, yeah.